As a business owner, you think about going and being an expert in fire alarm or fire protection, then it's security, then it's sprinkler, then it's HR, then it's training, and all of these things to be experts and to be able to grow it all at the same time is incredibly difficult. We wanted to expand our financial capability, and then we wanted to create a better position for growth for everybody at LS Systems. And then on top of that, we wanted to make sure that the employees had opportunities to be able to grow. I put science on the list because science has a reputation with the peers that I value most. And that was, I think, a defining moment from the initial meeting that we had specifically with Terry and Troy. And it wasn't fast talk. It wasn't something that was, we were forced into or we needed to be able to make a deal. It was a process. It was clear. And the end goal was always kept in mind. And then beyond that, we knew exactly where we were going once we closed on the deal. My favorite part of working at Science is having the ability to be able to interact with other like-minded peers. To have those resources where you can go and you can lean on when you're running into a problem, and knowing that you have the depth on the bench to be able to pull from at any point in time, that's the confidence factor that we need to be able to go and deliver great solutions. So knowing that we can now tap on these additional resources to be able to go and to be able to create a better opportunity, not only for our employees and our team members, but our customer base, that's been a good end roads for the team. My personal quality of life has changed significantly since I've been acquired by Science. When you first start the business, for me, 15 years ago, doing it all, and from, having that support structure in place to be able to concentrate on the things that I personally think that I can deliver the most value to the company. I can learn from my peers. It's just made the business that much more interesting to me. My message would be to other integrators when they're thinking about their business and currently how it's functioning is that you have consolidation that's around you. We have the pandemic as an example of some economic disaster, right? You have costs of just doing business continues to escalate. And then on top of that, you have a smaller talent pool that you have to pull from. If I had to do it all over again, would I be a part of Science? Absolutely. It's the Science reputation. It's the leadership team, it's the culture, it's the fact that we actually had team members, other business owners that have been through the process, that's what led us to making the decision that we made. That's the confidence that we needed, because ultimately you're handing something over that's very, very important to you. And yes, you're still gonna be a part of it, but you wanna make sure that you're making a good decision for everybody on the team, and that's why we made the decision.